Oh no, the moon is already coming. I have no, I have no, I have nothing. I have not an idea how to get the moon for Princess Leonor. But I guess I really need to ask the audience.
Bababa.
Do you know a solution? How about you? You!
Wait, Your Majesty! Wait!
Somebody out there help me!
Wait, Your Majesty! Wait! Wait, Your Majesty! Wait!
Panalo ito.
I'm so helpless. I'm really helpless. Ah! Ah!
What can I do for you, Your Majesty?
Nobody can do anything for me. The moon is coming up again. It will shine into Princess Lenore's room. And that the princess will know that the moon is still shining in the sky, that she does not wear it on a white chain around her neck. And when she sees the moon, she will be ill again. Again and again and again.
What do your wise men say?
They can think of no way that will not make Princess Lenore ill.
Your wise men know everything. And if they cannot hide the moon, then it cannot be hidden.
The king put his head in his hands again and sighed. Suddenly, he jumped from his throne and pointed to the moon glaring.
Look, the moon is already shining in Princess Lenore's room. Who can explain how the moon is shining up there when it is hanging on a white chain around her neck? Who? Tell me who?
Who can explain how to get the moon? When your wise men say it was too large and too far away. It was Princess Lenore. Therefore, Princess Lenore is wiser than wise men and knows more about the moon than they do. So, I will ask her.
Okay, just ask her, and I will wait for the result.
The princess was lying in bed, but she was wide awake and she was looking out the window at the moon shining in the sky. Shining in her hands was the moon the court jester had got for her. He looked very sad, and there seemed to be tears in her eyes.
Tell me, Princess Lenore, how can be the moon shining in the sky when it is hanging on a white sheet around your neck?
That is it. When she's good, a new one grows its place, doesn't it?
Of course. And when the unicorn loses his horn in the forest, a new one's grow in the middle of his forehead. Am I right, Princess?
That is right. And when the royal gardeners fix the flower in the garden, other flowers come back in their place. Therefore, there is always a replacement.
Ah, it is the same with the daylight.
It is the same with the moon. I guess it is the same with everything.
I never thought of that. What clever thoughts you have, my princess.
Her voice became very low and faded away. And the court jester saw that she was asleep. Gently, he tucked the covers around the sleeping princess. But before he left the room, he went over to the window and winked at the moon. For it seemed to the court jester that the moon had winked at him. The court jester went back to the king to tell him that everything is fine. The moon is just like how a new fruit grows after losing one, and how a new flower takes the place of a flower that the royal gardener cuts off. And through that, there is the radar! I am sorry to interrupt your conclusion, but with all due respect, I am in the middle of my sleep. I am so sorry about that, princess, but there are only 7 more words remaining in my script. I don't care. I want the rest. Just finish that after we sleep. But, shh! No more buts. That's better. I shall not take a nap. I can't go back to sleep. Thanks to you, narrator. Perhaps singing a wonderful song would help you get back to your sleep, princess. Oh, you're still there? Oh, no. Sounds like a good idea. Well. Do you want to hear me sing, Cerulean?
Yes!
Well, if not, I don't care. Hit it, baby! The people follow the sun, synchronizing us. It's a joke, funny mood. We gotta take it to that show. Just a little bit thought and a real life is a leap. Love is a real life. Can't do it alone. I try, and I don't know why. Just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared that I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I know I've got to let it go. Just enjoy the show. Just enjoy the show. Just a little bit and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go. Can't do it alone. I try, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl, lost in a moment. I'm so scared that I don't show it. I can't figure it out. It's bringing me down. I know.
Sana manalo rin.
Let it go.
Medyo klaro na konti ang kwento.
Just enjoy the show.